Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn coordinate geometry together, step by step. Here we measure on the coordinate plane the distance between 2 points, the point that divides a segment in a given ratio, and the midpoint, all straight from the coordinates. The distance between 2 points is the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. It comes straight from Pythagoras' theorem applied to the right triangle between the points. Find the distance between 1, 2 and 4, 6. The change in x is 3, in y is 4. So d is the square root of 9 plus 16, which is the square root of 25, exactly 5. To find the point that divides a segment in the ratio m to n, take m times the far coordinate plus n times the near one, divided by m plus n, separately for x and for y. The midpoint is just the section formula with ratio 1 to 1, simply the average of the two x coordinates and the average of the two y coordinates. The midpoint of 2, 3 and 6, 7 is the average of the coordinates 8 over 2 and 10 over 2. That is 4, 5. To recap, distance is the root of the squared differences. The section formula divides a segment in a given ratio, and the midpoint is simply the average of the coordinates. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.